Hello everyone, this is Khalid at Khalid channel. مرحبا بالجميع. هذه حصة إن شاء الله حول الverb to be اللي هي بالعربية أكون. Okay? We are going to study subject pronouns اللي هما الضمائر الشخصية. Okay? We have I اللي هي أنا, you, أنت, he, هو, she, هي, it بغير العاقل. And we have we, نحن, you, هم, and they. You, أنتم, pardon, العفو, the, هم, okay? For he, she, it are singular. He, she, it singular كتعني مفرد singular, okay? Singular. And we, you, they are plural, جمع, plural, okay? I هي أنا, أنا. Verb to be أكون. I هي أنا. For example, I am a teacher. أنا أستاذ. I am a teacher. Because verb to be is expresses situation لأن الفعل تاع verb to be كيعبر على الحالة, okay? كيعبر على existence, على الوجود. Okay, I am a teacher, for example, and you are a student. You are a student. Okay, we have he is a doctor. Okay, he is a doctor. She is a nurse. Who is she? She is a nurse. من هي ممرضة. Okay, it is a dog. هو كلب. Okay, because it's for someone unknown, غير العاقل. Okay, we are friends. You are my father. Okay, they are family. Again, I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a doctor. هو طبيب. She is a nurse. هي ممرضة. It is a dog. Okay? We are friends. نحن أصدقاء. You are my father. Okay? They are family. As you say, كما رأيتم بأن الفعل to be كيعبر لنا على الحالة, situation, expresses situation. Okay, this is affirmative form. هذا هو affirmative. Okay? Affirmative form of the verb to be. So, we are going to move to negative form. غادي نتحول دابا لأش negative form اللي هو النفي. We have personal subject as usual. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Negative form, we have full form and short form. Okay, في negative عندي I am not. You aren't. She isn't. He isn't. It isn't. We aren't. They aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Okay, it's a negative form والنفي ديال verb to be. Okay, it's a negative form. Negative. I am not a student. أنا لست تلميذا. Student. Okay, I am not a student. You aren't my friend. أنت لست صديقي. You aren't my friend. Okay? So, he isn't, for example, he isn't a doctor. هو ليس طبيب. He isn't a doctor. Okay, she isn't a nurse. It isn't a cat or a dog. What is a كلب? Okay, we aren't for example we aren't family. نحن لسنا عائلة. For example, again, you aren't my friends or my classmate, etc. My classmate. And they aren't, for example, they aren't friends. So we have I am not a student. You aren't my friend. He isn't a doctor. She isn't a nurse. It isn't a dog. We aren't family. You aren't classmate. They aren't friends. Is it clear? Again, you are not. I am not. You are not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Okay? So this is the verb to be. Affirmative form and negative form. Is it clear? I think it's clear. Okay? So let's move to question or interrogative form. Okay? As usual, again, we have personal pronoun I. Pardon. We can't start with I. Why? Because in the interrogative form, we start with the auxiliary of the verb. For example, this auxiliary, we start with am. Am I? We start with the auxiliary followed by the subject. كان ده ديما باش بالفعل هو الأول في السؤال. Okay, because interrogative form كنبداو ديما بالفعل. كنبداو بالفعل with the verb. Am I? كنتبعو السبجect. Am I a teacher? هل أنا أستاذ؟ Okay? Are you a teacher? Okay, is he? Is she? Okay? Is it? Okay? Are we? Are you again? And are they? As you know, the verb to be is very important. كما تعلمون بأن الفعل to be هو مهم جدا جدا جدا. So we have affirmative اللي هو affirmative sentence تكون الجملة تأكيدية. هنا negative sentence جملة تاع النفي. وعندنا هنا interrogative جملة على شكل سؤال إعطاء سؤال. We have I am a teacher. I'm not a student. I'm not a teacher. هنايا am I a teacher؟ هل أنا أستاذ؟ شفتوا هنا الفورم تاع الجملة كتبدل. Okay, so this is the verb to be in the affirmative form, negative form, and interrogative form. I give you some sentences in verb to be. For example, examples. For example, they are. For example, they are my best friends. Okay, negative form. Okay, you aren't, for example, you aren't my neighbor. You aren't my neighbor. Okay, you aren't my neighbor. Okay, interrogative form. Okay, is she a doctor? Okay, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any comments or you have an expecting lesson, please comment on the comments please. Okay, مرحبا بكم في الفيديو ديالي. إلا عندكم أي درس ما فهمتوش ولا بغيتوني نشرحو لكم، حاولوا تكتبوا لي في لي كومونتير ديالكم ياك، وغادي نجاوب معكم في لي كومونتير. هذه فقط البداية الأولى ديالي في لاشين خالد شانل. اوكي، كنتمنى منكم بانكم تفعلوا وديروا سبسكرايب وتنشروا هذا الفيديو مع الاصدقاء ديالكم باش نكبروا الشين، وان شاء الله عندنا بزاف ديال الدروس بزاف تاع التمارين. اوكي، انا حاولت هذه الايام هذه بان كاين يوصلني بزاف تاع الطلبات بانني نحاول نترجم اللغه العربيه، وهنا غادي نبقى نترجم اللغه العربيه ونشرح باللغه العربيه. Thank you for watching the videos and see you soon.